Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today we are going to see chroma removal with the help of IBK Keyer in Nuke. So this is very powerful tool for removing chroma in Nuke. So now here in Nuke I have imported our footage. So now just play and check. So this footage chroma we have to remove with the help of IBK Keyer here. So here IBK Keyer actually combinations of two nodes here, which is IBK Gizmo and IBK Color here. So again just press tab button and just type IBK here. So you can see this is Gizmo, and second one which is just IBK Color here. With the help of our this IBK Color node, we have to just create a green background clean plate, or just we have to reconstruct our green background. After this we will use this green background or just a green plate with IBK Gizmo, and we will remove this chroma. So first just we will use IBK Color, this one. So just simply just connect it here like this, then select this one and press 1 here. Now you can see here. So then after they just double click here. Now come here in screen type. So because by default it's here selected blue, so there is no any information here. Okay, so just we have to select our green. So according to our chroma color, just we have to select screens, maybe green or blue, then select green here. So now you can see here. So and if you will notice here a little bit these pixels, okay, so these are actually our just semi transparent pixels here, you can say. Okay, so here what we have to do, just we have to create our just smooth green plate here. Okay, so with the help of these parameters, so how we can do all these things here. So first just we have to cover our these semi transparent pixels here. Okay, so you can see because here some hairs are here. So first we have to cover this one, then we will adjust all these values. Okay, just we will little bit adjust here erode. So just we will cover this area. So now just adjust. So now you can see here, so a little bit adjust. So maybe just click and just drag, maybe even you can click here and just type like this, not too much. Okay, so here just I have covered our all semi transparent pixels here. So now after this just we have to remove all these black pixels here. So how we can do, so with the help of this size value you can adjust, even you can also use this black patch here. So now here you can see, I think this is a little bit different shaded here. So here just we have to create a simple green background, so there should be not any different color shaded. Okay, so just we have to adjust all these values here. So now if you will notice here, this one also, so just we have to adjust erode. So just click and just middle mouse button scroll. I think if you will see here, I think this is sufficient, but little bit I think some different shaded are here. So how we can adjust, so first just check this shaded in different channels here. So maybe R, G and also in B, so easily you can see. So in blue channels we can easily see here. So what we have to do, just we have to create a smooth shade here. Okay, or we have to just mix all these pixels here. Now after adjusting these values, just I am going to adjust dark and lights here. So just a little bit I am going to adjust this one here button and just scroll. Even light also you can adjust. Okay, so just all value just you have to adjust, and just you have to create a smooth shade here. So I think this is sufficient for us. Now again just press just B here. So now you can see here in our original green screens here, I think there is no any shaded all these things here. Now after this I am going to use this green screens or this background as a clean plate here. So how we can use this one, so how we can connect all these here. So just take this IBK Gizmo here. So take this foreground and just connect with your original green footage here. Then this C means just you can say clean plate. So just connect it here, then select this one and press 1 here, or you can just attach it like this, then just keep it like this. Then double click here in IBK Gizmo, and in screen type we have to select green, because here I am using green background or green chroma here. So just we have to select our green, sea green here. So now you can see here. Okay, I think this is looking good here. So now just what we have to do, just we have to check our alpha channel, because alpha should be solid here, means this should be white and this should be black here. Now just press A here. So now you can see here, I think this is looking good here. Now you can see here all hair details are here. Now here in IBK Gizmo some other options are also here, maybe a red weight, which is just like a red value weight. So if you want you can use this one, and green and blue this one, and also some luminance match here. So if you want you can also use just for adjusting these some pixels or grains here. So if you want you can use this one, and also if you want to use auto levels here. But here just I'm not going to use any other these options. So now just make it default. So right click, set knobs to default, and just select from sea green here. Okay, so now remaining value, just all these pixels or grains we will adjust manually here. So now how we can adjust all these pixels, just first little bit, because this is our main area of interest, means just only we have to focus here, not here, because we can easily remove these maybe grains with the help of our garbage mat here. So if you want you can also use garbage mat or roto here. Okay, so still I am just getting some grains all these values here. So first little bit just I am going to remove all these pixels, okay, which is as a garbage here. So how we can do, so just simply take a roto, maybe press O and take merge node M, and this will be background and this roto will be foreground. Then just simply create a roto, come here in our merge node, and just in operation just make it mask here. Okay, so now you can see like this. Okay, after this just we have to animate our this roto node according to our just character movements. Okay, so remember this one. So here just I have just created garbage mat here, so just I am going to take it here. So just a little bit come here. So now you can see here same roto node here, then just attach it here like this. Now you can see here, so just close this one. So now only just I am focusing only this area, not this one, because this area you can easily remove with the help of our garbage mat or with the help of our this roto node here. Now after this what we have to do for these just grains here, because we have to remove all these grains here. So if you want to test your just composting, then if you want you can compose. So just a little bit take your background. So here you can see I have just taken a background or just our background here. So this one, then after this reformatted, then maybe a little bit, so I have adjusted some gain, then just maybe defocus. Okay, so if you want to check, then direct, if you want you can compose. So take a merge node, and this will be our background and this will be our foreground. Now just select this one and press 1 here. So easily you can see here, I think still this is looking good here. So now you can see maybe this is looking good. So all details are here, so easily, but still if you will see in alpha channel, so just press A here. So just select this one and press 1 here. Now you can see. Okay, so this pixel also just we have to remove. These are good, but just we have to remove these grains or pixels, okay, which is not pure black here. So how we can remove all these here? So just a little bit I am going to adjust it here again. So again, so just a little unplug this one, so because this one only for temporary composting. Okay, so how we can remove all these pixels here? So there are actually two nodes, or you can say two procedure are here. So first, if you want to just use your color lookup here, so just press tab and just type color lookup. So this one node, then connect it here, because just we have to mainly just we have to focus our on alpha here. So then select this one and press 1 here. Now just double click here. So what we have to do, just we have to select our this alpha here, this one, and this will adjust our this black value, and this point will be adjust our this white value. So if any just maybe which pixel is not just white, so you can adjust with the help of this one. Okay, so now if you want to just check a little bit in gamma, I think little bit some problems here. So how we can adjust? So just take this one white and just you can adjust. So maybe like this also. Now again just I'm going to adjust this one, then we have to adjust this black values. Not too much, remember this one we have to maintain all details here. So I think this is looking good here. Now so easily you can see all details are here, everything are here. Okay, so now second one how I can do, so this is actually first method. Then second one, take a grade node, so just press G and just connect it here and just attach it here. Then double click here in grade and just enable this clamp black and white value. Then in channel just select alpha channel, because here just I am going to adjust our only alpha channel here. Okay, then just adjust this gain value or just black point or white point. Okay, so according to your requirement for just creating perfect black and white matte here. Now if you want to adjust a little bit black, so easily you can see. And after this little bit, if you want to create a smoothness here, then if you want you can take a soften node here, then press tab button. So with the help of this filter you can adjust this size, even you can also adjust some edges here with the help of minimum and maximum value. So if you want you can adjust these values also. So I think this one, and if you will select this one, press 2 here, I think both are similar. I think some differences are here. So with the help of these two nodes, if you want you can just adjust your matte here and you can create your final matte. So now after this just I have adjusted some values here. Now take this one, and later if you want you can also take this one, so any one you can use here. Okay, so now after this what we have to do, just we have to just take this alpha and just we have to remove chroma from our original background here. Okay, so how we can do all these things here, so again just a little bit take a dot node here, so maybe press dot and just connect it here like this. So let's just adjust it here so easily you can understand. Then take a copy node, press K, this will be our background and this final matte or this one will be our foreground. So just a little bit I am going to take this one. So now after this what we have to do, just select this one and press tab and just type pre-mult. Now select this one and press 1 here. Now again just press A here. So now you can see all green. So this is actually our spill, color spill you can say. Now after this what we have to do, just we have to compose this final shot onto our just background here. So I am going to take it here, take a merge node, and this will be our background and this will be our foreground here. Now select this one and press 1 here. So now you can see all details are here, everything are here. Okay, so now after this what we have to do, how we can remove these just green pixels here. So this is the main important things here. So how we can do all these things here, because some green spills are here, so easily you can remove with the help of hue correct, or you can also use P kill spill suppressor. Okay, so you can see here this one, P kill spill. Okay, so this is actually free, you can download it from nukepedia.com. so if you want you can also use this one. So just click here and just we have to attach before this copy node. So just take this one and just attach it here. So now you can see here, I think this is looking good. So all just green pixels just removed by this key pill spills. So you can see, so I think this is looking good. But if you want to remove manually, then you can also remove. So take this one and just adjust it here and select this one and press D for the disable this one. So just manually just I am going to remove this green pixels here. So just we have to take a hue correct node. So select this one, press tab, just hue correct. So now here you can see, now just come here in our green suppressor. So just you can adjust. So maybe this one, so just select and adjust. So maybe some adjustment, and also take another one, press tab, just hue correct again, and just again in green suppressor and just little bit adjust this value also, because this is actually not pure green here. Okay, so just you can adjust also this one. So now you can see here. Okay, so just we have So here I have removed all our spells here. There is no any green, all these things here. So if you want, you can also adjust manually with the help of these, correct? Or if you want, you can also just select this one. So select this one and press D. So you will get this one, and just enable this one, press D. So now you can see this is also looking good. And if you want to adjust some color here, then double click here in our pkill spell and you can tweak this value here, maybe according to your requirements. Like this also you can adjust. And if you want to use this one, then select this one and press D, and then enable these two also, then press D. So whatever your requirement, then you can enable and you can adjust. Okay, so I think this is looking good here. So now press H, and just finally, if you want to just little bit adjust this bounding box, maybe if any problem, then after this take a press tab, just maybe crop node here, and just you can adjust this crop. And if you want to test this one also, if you want to test, then you can connect this just our alpha input from our this soften also. So you can see. Okay, so which is better you can use. So according to your requirement, you can use just adjusting your alpha, these ones, or you can also use this color lookup. Okay, so all things here just you can use and according to your requirement. So I think this is looking good here. Remaining just you can adjust according to your requirement. I think this is till here, this is looking good here. So everything you can see. Now just play and check here. So now here you can see, I think this is looking good here. So easily you can see. So here I have successfully removed chroma with the help of our IBK keyer. So this is very powerful tool in Nuke. So basically this is combinations of two node. So which is IBK color and just IBK gizmo here. Remaining a background color correction, all these things you can adjust according to your foreground character. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.